So now the next tool we will going to discuss about will be Credo. Okay, so you can just simply type my-link.in/Credo. Okay, CREADOAI. Okay, so everything is small. Okay, so just type on this link and just click on enter button. Okay, so after you will go to the my link, you will come to this type of page. So this is the tool, that is Credo AI tool. Okay, this will going to help you to create multi-language AI video creation. Okay, so basically this is how you just need to put the text. Okay, and this tool will it looks like human, and they will going to tell you basically or they will going to speak whatever you will going to write here. Okay, and you can do it in multi-language. If you are a speaker of German, if you speak German language, if you are a French speaker, or you are you speak Hindi language, or you speak English. So for whatever purpose you want to, just put the text, and this type of human you can select, and they will going to speak. Okay, so let's first go ahead and let's create one free account here. Okay, so for now it's free, the time when I'm recording it, but I don't know about the future. Okay, so let's click on this create for free button, or you will see here option of a login or register. Okay, so whatever you can go. So I will going to click on this button. Okay, and after I will going to do this, so it will going to ask me for a login. So basically right now we don't register to the website, so we will going to click on this register button. Okay, and then you can just put whatever nickname you want to. Okay, for example, I can just write Manisha, and then I have this email address. Okay, let me just put this email address. So whatever your email is, just put that email over here. Okay, paste it, simple. Put the password you want to. Okay, so I will going to put the password. Make sure that whenever you write the password, put all the things according to their criteria to set the password. And after you will do this, just click on this create an account button. Okay, so they have a tick button here, so make sure it's not visible, but here you can see the tick button. Tick it. Okay, and click on this create an account button. Right, so after you will going to do that, so open your email box. Okay, in my case it's Credo, so just click on this email and click on just verify email and verify yourself on Credo. Okay, and now you can just simply click on this start creating button, and then you will basically be able to log in to their dashboard very easily. Okay,